share with you a very delicious chicken fajita made at home with lots of love that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing chicken fajitas made at home, well, these are the ingredients. 3 garlic cloves, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, smoked paprika, bell peppers, a red, a yellow, jalapeños, purple onion, white onion, a little bit of cilantro, and of course the star, the chicken breast. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start by getting ready all my veggies. I'm going to start with the white onion, and I am going to slice it through the center, and then I'm going to slice away. Once I slice everything, I'm going to pull it apart and reserve. I have my purple onion. I'm going to do the same thing. The 2 different onions really give this chicken fajita such a delicious flavor and color. Remember to pull it apart. This is going to really incorporate with the rest of the ingredients. Once you have your 2 onions sliced, put them aside, continue with your bell peppers. With the bell peppers, I want to slice the bell peppers, but I want to remove all the seeds and the veins. This part is very important. You don't want none of the seeds or the veins of the bell pepper. Look at this. I'm going to continue with the red bell pepper, doing the same thing, slicing away in small little thin strips so that everything really incorporates. This is very important. You want all your ingredients to be almost the same size, so that when you cook it, you could really see all those amazing colors and everything cooks at the same time. I am adding chile jalapeño. I am going to remove the seeds and remove the vein. Just in case one of the chilies are spicy, you want to make sure that you remove the seeds and you remove the vein. I am using jalapeños. I don't want my recipe to be hot and spicy. I really want to enjoy it. And this chicken fajita, you could enjoy it just with beans and rice. You could enjoy it in a delicious burrito. You could enjoy it in quesadillas. You could even enjoy it in delicious homemade sopes. This fajita you could really enjoy in so many different recipes. Now I have the chicken breast here, and I'm slicing nice and thin strips. Like I said, you want all your ingredients to be almost the same size. Let me tell you, with this hot weather, you really enjoy a delicious fajita at home because it doesn't take too long to elaborate this amazing recipe. What takes more time elaborating is getting all the ingredients sliced, cut, and then you're ready to cook. In my pan, I am adding a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to start with the bell peppers and the jalapeno. These take a little longer to cook. I am going to cook them in medium heat, adding salt, black pepper, smoked paprika. Remember that the salt is to taste. I'm adding a little bit. I believe it's half a tablespoon of each, so that it starts absorbing, all those bell peppers starts absorbing those amazing flavors of the spices. After about 3-4 minutes, I am going to add the onion. Remember that the onion cooks really fast, so you want to make sure that your bell peppers and the jalapenos are still al dente. You just cook it for 4 minutes, medium heat. And now I'm ready to wake up my garlic cloves. How am I going to wake them up? By smashing them. When you smash them, it is so easy to take the skin off. It really just slides off, And now I am ready to dice away. I want to make sure that I dice it really good so that it really incorporates into the chicken when I am ready to add it. Here I'm adding all the onion to the bell peppers and jalapeno. I'm just going to incorporate it and cook it for about 2 more minutes. I just want the onion to start getting nice and cooked. 2 minutes and then you're done. And here what I'm doing, I got a little bit of the cilantro, the coriander, and I'm just gonna dice away. I really love the cilantro flavor when I enjoy this amazing chicken fajita. Was, as you could see, the onion has already cooked a little bit. It is time to remove it. Please don't overcook your veggies. You still want them al dente. I am going to add them here, transfer them to this plate, and then I'm ready to start cooking my chicken. The same thing, I am going to add the chicken. I am going to add salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and of course, I am going to add the diced garlic. I love making this amazing recipe, especially when it's really hot. It's a recipe that doesn't take too long to cook. Plus, it has so much flavors and it is actually healthy for you with all these veggies. Remember always to incorporate veggies in your amazing recipes. Look at this. I added all the spices, added the diced garlic, and now I'm just incorporating everything into the chicken. I love leaving the chicken crispy, not only just cooked, but I like to get it golden brown. So I'm just gonna cook it here in medium heat. I'm gonna be mixing it once in a while until I see that they're getting nice and golden brown. Look at the amazing veggies. I can't wait for the chicken to be ready and enjoying these amazing tacos of fajita. If it's Tuesday night, it's Tuesday of Taco Tuesday. Or any day you want to enjoy an amazing taco, well, this is a great recipe. Now that the chicken is nice and crispy, it has a lot of color, a lot of flavor, then I am ready to add all my veggies right on the top. When I add the veggies, I'm just going to incorporate them really good. And then I'm going to turn off the stove. I don't want to overcook my veggies. So what I'm doing is just incorporating, turning the stove off, and then I'm ready to enjoy it. Look at all these flavors. I know that your mouth is watering. I know that you are thinking what I'm thinking. I am ready to eat. I am ready to enjoy. And why not enjoy a delicious homemade fajita? Now I am ready to transfer it to the presentation plate. Look at this. My home just smells amazing and I can't wait to dig in. But now I'm ready to transfer it. Look at those amazing colors. You could really see all those amazing colors in this fajita. Look at this. It really got a lot of flavor. And now, of course, I have my 2 tortillas with cheese, my quesadillas, and I am ready to add my fajita on the top and ready to enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, my coriander, my cilantro. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chicken fajita. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. All these flavors are just amazing. and the coriander right on the top, the cilantro right on the top made a difference. Excuse me. Just amazing. And finishing with a passion fruit made at home with lots of love. You already have this amazing and refreshing recipe. A passion fruit lemonade at home with lots of love. Excuse me. Just perfection. Let me tell you, my friends, when you make this amazing recipe, you're going to love it. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying these amazing chicken fajitas. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.